Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then on the top right corner, you're going to find a small box with a pencil on it. Tap on it, then select new group from your screen. Once you do that, select the contacts that you want to add on that group, then tap on next. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go ahead and type in the group name and tap on create from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a group in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.